Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Zilliqa coin has broken out a quite long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this down channel, by the way, on this chart, it has broken out two down channels. One was the bigger one, and the next one was formed within this bigger bigger down channel. And you can see that before the breakout, this smaller down channel was formed. And after testing this quite long-term support of 1.5 cents, the price then geared up and broke out the resistance of both channels together. And so far from this low to here, you can see that Zilliqa has rallied more than 210%. And during this rally, the price then has also broken out this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, this red cloud. And now it is testing the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. At this time, we have broken down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And at the same time, the price line is also about to test this quite long-term support of 2 cents as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup of PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 30th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price had moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Zilliqa, and this is a 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after the month of Feb 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. Here after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of 23 cents, re-entered the same channel, and before the breakout from this big down channel, the price line also formed another down channel. And while moving to the downside, you can see that it also formed this very, very massive double bottom pattern as well. And this double bottom pattern was formed at this long-term support of 1.5 cents. That was a quite long-term support. If we take a look at the previous history of this support, then you can see that this 1.5 cents has been previously working as a very, very strong support here for several weeks or months, from the month of January 2019 up till the month of June 2019. And after the breakdown, here again, it broke it out, and again, it started working as support. Then we had a very, very massive rally. And again, after this big drop, the price line had another very nice bounce. And we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and finally the price line broke out these two channels as well. Now, if we take a look at this next resistance that recently it has broken out, you can see after the breakout, the price line has been rejected by this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And finally, we broke it out here in the month of Feb 2024. And after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of 3.7 cents. And after that, the price line is now retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And after this rejection, by the way, we have broken down this support of 2.9 cents as well. That was quite long-term support and resistance level. And you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance here, this 2.9 cents. And before that, it had been breaking as a very strong support here for several weeks and support here. And before that, it had been working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And here it also worked as a support. Therefore, this time, to continue this rally to the upside, we will again need to break out this resistance of 2.9 cents. And then the price line will need to break out this next resistance of 3.7 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks a month. You can see from the month of September 2022 up till the month of April 2023. In fact, up till now, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And before that, it had been breaking as a very, very nice support here. Now, if we take a look at the final target for these two breakouts, And by the way, we need to keep an eye on these two supports now, the lower bands of Ichimoku base cloud and this support of 2 cents. These supports are very significant. If these supports will be broken down, then it can drop down to the next long-term support here at 1.5 cents. And in case of a successful retest of these two supports, it can start a very, very massive price reversal from here. And this Ichimoku base cloud can now work as a very, very strong support. In fact, therefore, there is a probability that the price end may start another reversal move from here, especially when you can see that stochastic has completely entered the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone and the price end was moving at the same support of 2 cents, you can see that we had a very nice bounce. Before that, when it was entered the oversold zone, we had a very, very nice bounce and the price end broke out the resistance of the channel. And even before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here, at that time, we had a nice price reversal, but we had a very, very long-term resistance of the down channel and the price end rejected and again dropped down and again stochastic entered the oversold zone. Then we broke out the resistance of the channel. Therefore, you can see that it is again entered the oversold zone. And once we will receive a bull cross, like when this blue line will cross up this orange line, like it did here, and once it will cross it up, then we can expect some stability and we can expect that it may start another reversal from here. By the way, the target for the breakout from this down channel was here at the top of the channel for this smaller channel. That was at 3.7 cents, and you can see that the price end already has hit that target. And the bigger breakout target is here at the top of this channel that can be between 25 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.